Most people are using ChatGPT to just answer questions, but in this video, you're going to discover how to turn it into a 24/7 money-making machine. Hi, I'm Lili. I have a background in business and digital marketing, and for the past couple of years, I've been diving deep into AI tools, turning them into real income streams. I'm not here to sell you dreams, just to share tools and strategies that work in real life. So if you're ready to turn ChatGPT into your income engine, let's get into the video. Number 1. Creating ready-to-sell digital products. From writing YouTube scripts to selling smart prompts, these 4 methods can start making you income this week, even if you've never done anything like this before. ChatGPT can help you generate full content for digital products like ebooks, calendars, checklists, digital planners, or mini courses. You can package and sell them on platforms like Fiverr, Creative Fabrica, or Etsy. Let me show you how simple it is. Let's say you want to create a digital planner for busy entrepreneurs. Open ChatGPT and type, "Create a 30-day productivity planner for entrepreneurs with daily tasks, hourly schedule, motivational quotes, and space for notes. Keep the schedule empty." And just like that, it gives you a fully structured day-by-day planner, including the exact sections you requested. Now, all you need to do is style it nicely and upload it for sale on platforms like Etsy. Number 2. Turn ideas into ready-to-post content. ChatGPT can instantly turn your raw ideas into fully written content, whether it's a social media post, a blog draft, or a LinkedIn caption. Just give it a concept and it delivers a polished draft in seconds. For example, let's assume a travel influencer or a travel agent wants to share a short post about the beauty of Nusa Penida Island in Bali to attract tourists. They can simply type, "Write an Instagram caption for a travel page about the natural beauty of Nusa Penida in Bali. Make it vivid, inviting, and use an adventurous tone. Add a call to action." And boom, your Instagram caption is ready. The earning potential with this method is huge because both small businesses and large brands constantly need fresh, optimized content. With ChatGPT, you're offering them a faster, smarter, and more cost-effective way to stay visible and grow. That's real value, and people pay for that. You can offer your services on websites like Fiverr or on platforms like LinkedIn. Number 3. Writing scripts for YouTube videos. ChatGPT can help you write scripts for YouTube channels, especially faceless ones like Top 10, Luxury Lifestyle, or Finance Tips. You can produce these videos yourself or sell the scripts to content creators. For example, type, "Write a YouTube script for a faceless video titled Top 10 Most Beautiful Islands in the World." The script should include a countdown from 10 to 1, the name of each island, and 2 interesting facts for each. ChatGPT will generate a complete script, often with suggestions for voiceovers too. You might still need to tweak a few lines, but your chat buddy just saved you hours of work. Number 4. Designing and selling smart prompts. Many creators are now making real income by selling effective prompts for tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. A prompt is simply the instruction or input you give to an AI tool to get a specific result. The better your prompt, the better your output. For example, here's a simple but sellable prompt for ChatGPT. Write a short magical bedtime story for a 5-year-old about a brave bunny who goes on an adventure to find the moon. Keep it calming, friendly, and use simple language. This prompt will generate a beautiful, engaging short story that writers or storytelling YouTube channels can use. You can sell your prompts on platforms like PromptBase, a dedicated marketplace for high-performing AI prompts. So, those were 4 powerful ways to turn ChatGPT into a real income tool, even if you're just starting out. If even one of these ideas sparked something in you, take it and run with it. The best time to start is now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff, real-world AI strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.